Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive folder on WhatsApp. So let's start. But before moving forward you have to remember that you cannot directly share the folder on WhatsApp. You have to share via link. Now open the Google Drive app on your device. On the home screen you will see all of your folders and files. By following this process you can easily share any file you want. Now select the folder you want to share and then tap on the three dots of the folder. Now tap on link sharing off to turn the link sharing on. Then tap on the three dots again and tap on copy link and the link will be copied. Now open the WhatsApp app and open the conversation you want to share with. And then paste the link. And that's how you can share your Google Drive folder on WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.